Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean your washing machine properly at home. This simple cleaning method will help keep your clothes fresh and your machine work efficiently. Okay, first we want to turn the top knob and take a screwdriver to remove the screw carefully. Okay, after that you can see here the screw inside of the top side. Then we want to take a screwdriver and then remove the top part gently. Okay, as you can see, a lot of dirt has collected inside. This can affect the performance of the machine. Okay, now I am loosening the dirt using the screwdriver. Then after I am pouring some water to remove the loose dust. Next, I am using an old toothbrush to scrub the corners. You can add some detergent powder or liquid for better cleaning. Scrub it thoroughly and pour water again. Okay. Let's pour water again and again. Okay. After that, I am using a thick cloth to wipe everything properly. Make sure all the dirt and water are removed. So next we have to set the washing machine to remove water inside of washing machine. Let's wait for 5 minutes to remove water from washing machine. So you can see here the working washing machine to remove water from washing machine. Okay, let's pour water some again. So let's take a wire brush to remove hard stain. Now you can see it looks completely clean. Okay, so let's clean the top part. Okay, after the clean top part, we want to reset and fix it back in place. Tighten the screw properly and adjust the knob again. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.